Right students, let us start today class. Today I am going to teach exercise 5.4 8th question. See, find the equations of perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A and B. Okay, so you are joining two points A and B, we will get it as a line. Okay, AB we will get it as a line. From AB line you want to draw one perpendicular bisector. Okay, you know how want to draw perpendicular bisector. What is mean by perpendicular bisector means, so given line, okay, any one of the lines is divides into two equal parts. While drawing perpendicular bisector, that line divides into two equal parts. It is called perpendicular bisector. Yes. So from that perpendicular bisector AB, you want to draw one perpendicular bisector. From that perpendicular bisector equation, you want to find. Okay. See solution. First, according to given information, I am going to draw diagram. Given that, roughly this is first. Okay, first one A point is minus 4 comma 2 and B point is 6 comma minus 4. Okay, so from that you want to draw one perpendicular bisector. Yes, see here more than half of you will take and draw like that one perpendicular bisector. Yes, like so this is perpendicular bisector. You take this is C, this is D. Okay, here you consider this is D. On perpendicular bisector you are drawing. Up to that it is enough. Okay, now CD equation. This equation only want to find. This equation. Okay, now you see here. Let's AB is the line and CD is the perpendicular. CD is the perpendicular bisector. Want to find equations of the perpendicular bisector CD. Okay, this only we want to find. For that CD, suppose in that any one of the point you know, then using AB slope we will get it as a CD slope. Then using slope point form we will get it as a equation. Okay, but here we do not know anything. Okay, slope also is not there, one point also is not there, but here easily we will find out D, because while drawing perpendicular bisector this middle only it will intersect. Then means D is the midpoint of here, or else you write here in figure D is the midpoint of AB. So use midpoint formula D of x comma y. So we know that midpoint, yes, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you should substitute. Now see, A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2. Then means minus 4 plus 6 by 2 comma here 2 plus y2 value is minus 4 whole divided by 2. Okay, then you should simplify this. See this, cancel 2 by 2 comma 2 minus 4 means minus 2 by 2. So you should cancel this. D point is 1 comma minus 1 you will get. D point you will get 1 comma minus 1. Now from that figure we received S. See here A, B, here D point, here C point. From that figure D point we received, what is that? 1 comma minus 1. Next CD slope want. Then means next want to find slope of AB. Slope of AB want to find y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then only we will get it is slope of CD. That means Now a part is x1 y1, b part is x2 y2, then means minus 4 minus 2 whole divided by, okay, y2 minus y1 divided by x2, 6 minus of minus 4. Okay, now simplify this. We will get it as this minus 6 divided by 10. Cancel means we will get minus 3 by 5. Okay, so slope of AB we received minus 3 by 5. But here we want slope of CD only we want. That means therefore here the CD line is perpendicular to AB. That means what? Slope of CD you want means minus 1 by slope of AB. Okay, actually this is M1. M2 you want means M1 will go down. So minus 1 by M1. M1 is slope of AB. Okay, that means minus 1 by minus 3 by 5. So while taking reciprocal we will get it as a plus 5 by 3. Okay, because minus minus cancel, 3 by 5 it's go numerator, 5 by 3. This is called slope M. Okay, therefore here is needs to find perpendicular bisector. Therefore here one point is there, D point, and the slope of CD is there. Yes, slope, one point on slope is there. So using slope point form we will get equation. So see, to record equation, use slope point form. Use slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 1 minus 1, D point. Slope is 5 by 3. Now substitute y minus of minus 1, 5 by 3, x minus 1. Now y plus 1 you will get, 3 will come this side. This equal to, okay, 5 times of x minus 1. You simplify this. So 3 into y, 3y plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 5x minus 5. Okay, here 3 is common, here 5 is common. Now always x you want to get positive, then means this both the term will go that side, means 5x minus 3y plus 3y, this side come minus 3y, already minus is there, then plus 3, this side come minus 3. So 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y minus 5 minus 3 and means minus 8. That's all. Okay, therefore you should write 5x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 is record equations of a perpendicular bisector. Record equations of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, that's all. See next question, 9th one. Find the equations of a straight line through the intersections of the lines, two lines that is given, and parallel to the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So first you want to find point of intersections of the line, and one more line is given. One more line equation, 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. From that line you want to draw one parallel line. Okay, we want to get equations of parallel line. Okay, so equation we want to find, parallel equation we want to find. So see solution first. See, according to given information I'm going to draw rough diagram. Now two lines are intersecting. Okay, these two lines are intersecting, that means point of intersection you will get. First line 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. Second equation 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, this two line equation is that is given. This two is intersecting point here. Okay, so this is intersecting. Now next you see, while intersecting is passing through one line, then one more line is given. One more line equation is 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. This line. So this line is given. Question is asked parallel to the line. Okay, that means this equation we want to find. Yes, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Then we want to find this equation. Find these equations of the line. Okay, now see first point of intersections of the line. Point of intersections of lines. 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. Consider as this is equation 1. Second equation 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. This second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Okay. Then we will get it as a x or y. Okay. Any one of the variable value you will get. Now see which one. Here 7x, here 5x is there. X coefficient different, here y coefficient also different. Okay, but y coefficient opposite symbol is there. That means first equation you should multiply with 4. Second equation you should multiply with 3. That means y term automatically it will go while adding this. Now 4, 7 4s are 28x my plus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 10s are 40. Next, second equation multiply by 3 means 5 3s are 15x minus 3 4s are 12y is equal to 3 1s are 3. Both the side you want to multiply. Now you should add these two equation. And means plus 12y minus 12y it will get cancelled. Now 8 plus 5 13. Remaining 1 4. 43x is equal to 43. While adding we will receive 43x is equal to 43. Now see this you should cancel. We will get it as a variable of x. Now x is equal to 43 by 43. This implies x is equal to 1. X we received. X is equal to 1. Substitute in 1 means first equation 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. So 7 of 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. Now 7 ones are 7 plus 3y is equal to 10. Now 3y is equal to plus 7, that side go minus 7. Now subtract means we will get y is equal to 3. 3y is equal to 3. Now y you want means 3 will go down. So y 3 by 3 y we will receive as a 1. Here see, therefore the point of intersection is point of intersection is 1 comma 1. Okay, so point of intersection. So we received a point of intersection. Next one line is given. Yes, next you see, next it is given equation of the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we need this line, parallel line only we need. Therefore equations of the parallel line is okay, which equation? This equation. Equations of the parallel line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0 is okay. This line, parallel line is only constant term alone it will changes. So already I have explained this formula. So one equation is given, then this line parallel equation means only constant term alone it will change. So instead of plus 12 you change into plus k is equal to 0. Okay, now this equation. Now since the point of intersection, since the point 1 comma 1 passing through the line, this line is passing means 13 of, instead of x you substitute 1 plus 15 of, instead of y you substitute 1 plus k is equal to 0. Now 13 plus 15 plus k is equal to 0. So and means 28 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to minus 28. Okay. So point of intersection you substitute in this line. Parallel line you should substitute means k value you will receive. So 13x plus 5y, not 15y, 5y. So 13x plus 5y. So 5 means 5 ones are 5. So 18. So plus 18, that's why go minus 18. Okay. Now therefore we receive the answer. Equations of the parallel line is, therefore equations of the parallel line is 13x plus 5y minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. So already one line is given. In this line, parallel line is asking only constant term alone, it will change. Therefore here constant term we received as the minus 18. Okay, therefore this is the parallel line equation. That's all. See next question 10th one and the same procedure. Okay, before question parallel it is given, but here it is given perpendicular. That is the difference. Find the equations of straight line through the intersections of the lines 5x minus 6y is equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So in this line we want to find perpendicular line. Okay, this is a question. Now see, according to given information, given that you draw point of this one line, first line 5x minus 6y is equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. So first want to find point of intersection. This two line point of intersection want to find. Then perpendicular to the line, this line. In this line, one more line equation is 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. In this line perpendicular line, this is perpendicular. Okay, from that line perpendicular line we want to find. This equation we want to find. Okay, in this equation we want to find. Now see first point of intersections of the lines. Point of intersections of the lines. Point of intersections of lines. First 5x minus 6y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. Next 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. Okay. So we will get it as any one of the variable x and y. Now here minus 6x is there. Here plus 2y is there. X coefficient also different. Y coefficient also different means this convert into same coefficient means 2 you should multiply with 3, we will get it as a 6. Okay, by elimination method I am solving this two equation. So you learned already 9th standard, you learned this one. So now first equation you should write as it is 5x minus 6y is equal to 2. Second equation you should multiply by 3 means 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 3 10s are 30. Now you should add as it is this two equation plus 6y minus 6y you will get cancelled. 9 plus 5 14x is equal to 32. Now x you want means 32 by 14. Now is it is possible to cancel two tables. So two tables 16 2s are 32, 7 2s are 14. Okay, therefore here we receive the value of one of the variable value x. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 7. Now this x is equal to 16 by 7, substitute in any one of the equation. Okay, substitute in better second equation you should substitute. Y means everything positive term, so that second equation is what is that 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now substitute 3 of 16 by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. Now 3 16 we cannot get cancel, so 3 16s are you should multiply. 48 by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. Now plus 48 by 7, that side go minus 48 by 7. minus 48 by 7. Now 2y is equal to 7. You want to take it as LCM. So 7 times are 70 minus 48 by 2. Now 2y is equal to 70. You should subtract 48 means remaining 22. 22 divided by 2. Yes. Okay, 22. This you should cancel means 2y is equal to, sorry, here divided by 7. Divided by 7, not 2. Here subtract means 22 divided by 7. Now next step, here this 2 will go denominator means y is equal to 22 by 7 into 2. Now 2 table cancel, we will get it as 11. This implies y we received 11 by 7. Okay, both also fraction form we received. X is 16 by 7 and y is 11 by 7. Okay, therefore the point of intersection is the point of intersection is 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7. Now given equations of the line is given line is 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So in this line perpendicular line want to find. To record perpendicular line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0 is what I told here. Perpendicular line how want to find? So both interchange x coefficient and y coefficient you want to interchange and x coefficient you should change in the symbol also. Okay, that means here y coefficient is minus 7, so that minus 7x minus 4y, okay, plus you change into minus 4y plus constant term also you want to change plus k is equal to 0. Now you should substitute x and y values. That means minus 7 of x value is, since the point 16 comma 7 11 by 7 is passing through the line or passing through the equation. That means minus 7 of 16 by 7, okay, minus 4 of 11 by 7 plus k is equal to 0. Why I am substituting? Because we want to get the value of k. Now this 7 will get cancelled, so minus 16. Okay, now this we cannot get cancelled, so minus 44. 4 11s are 44 by 7 is equal to plus k is equal to 0. Now next step, you see this 7 you want to take it as a LCM means, okay, or else this first k value only we need. That means both the term will go that side, means 44 by 7 plus 16. Okay, 44 by 7 plus 16. Okay, now next. So see here 7 want to take it as a LCM means 44 plus 7 into 16 you should multiply means 112 whole divided by 7. Okay, now this 2 you should add, k is equal to 156 whole divided by 7. Okay, so we cannot get cancel 7 table. This is the value of k. Now therefore to record equation is, okay, I have changed here. What is the coefficient I have changed? Minus 7x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Yes. Now you substitute minus 7x minus 4y plus 156 divided by 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Now next step, 7 you want to take it as a LCM. Okay. So 7 you want to take it as LCM. Both the one means 7 7s are minus 49x minus 7 4s are 28y plus 156, okay, whole divided by 7 is equal to 0. Now this division by 7, that side go, multiplication 7, so 0. Now minus 49x minus 28y plus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, but always x term we want to get positive, therefore, okay, therefore both sides multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 means 49x minus change into plus 20, minus 28 change into plus 28y minus 156 is equal to 0. 0 into anything, 0 only. Okay, this is required equations of a required equations of a perpendicular straight line. Okay, required equations of a straight line or else. Okay, that's all. So given line you want to draw perpendicular, so you want to find equations of a perpendicular line, so that, so given line, the perpendicular line is 49x plus 28y minus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, that's all.